time to be fighting off scammers and shit. You gotta have common sense after I say it once, after I write it in my bio, after I say it 1,000 times, you just to be smart. Like, you can tell that motherfuckers is not sounding like us sound. So, at the end of the day, if y'all fall for them scams, that's on y'all motherfucking ass. I'm tired of talking about this shit. If y'all fall for the scam, whoa, what's up, New Orleans? Y'all fell for that shit, that's on y'all. Why the fuck would I be calling you, asking you for some money? Why would I be calling a lot of you motherfuckers? The people who be writing that shit to me, is this you? Now keep it real with yourself. How many niggas be just whistling at you every time you come outside? If it ain't like you can't go to the motherfucking store without niggas whistling at you, trying to pull you, I'm probably not that nigga in your shit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be that motherfucker that everybody on their ass. Oh, this motherfucker, that's mine. If you ain't getting that type of pressure everywhere you go, I'm not in your DMs, boo. It ain't going down like that, okay? So that's a little quick judgment where you can see. If you don't come outside and every nigga you see whistle at you and can't stop looking at you and shit, I'm not DMing you, boo. That's not what I'm doing. All right? Shit, it's in my ashtray backward. Nah, I am nice, but I'm just being real, too. People got to keep it real with themselves. I don't even like texting or phone calls, my God. You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't even talk on the phone. I hate talking on the phone to anybody. So what the fuck make you think I'm gonna be having a conversation, hitting you up? I'm so zoned out and protective of my peace. I don't want to hear shit, cause everybody gonna say some shit. There's gonna be some sad shit you gonna hear. There's gonna be some, I just be trying to protect my peace, man. You know what I'm saying? I be about protecting my peace, so I don't really talk on the phone a lot. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all. Let me give y'all a preview of what my phone history look like, just so we can be on the same page. All my people, like I guess I'm a little weird. I just block shit off. Okay. Last 10 days. Instagram, 62%. iPhone, 6%. Messages, 6%. Waze, 4%. TikTok. I just started getting on TikTok. Everybody follow me on TikTok, man. Boss Life Slim. Music, 2%. This is me, man. This is the last 10 days. I don't be on my phone, man. I don't be on my text messages. I don't be on none of that shit. I be protecting the peace, kid. I be protecting the peace, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna get there one day. Y'all gonna learn how to block motherfuckers off. Cause a motherfucker will talk to you about a bunch of nothing all day, man. I don't wanna hear all that shit, bro. I don't wanna hear that shit, kid. I don't wanna hear that shit. Like, leave me the fuck alone. I'm still trying to keep my 100% up. You come around me with this sad shit. You talking about shit I would have never heard unless I talk to your motherfucking ass. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all, man. Check out that album. Boss Life Slim is the TikTok, man, and I'm finna start going live on there and doing shit. Tap in on the TikTok, man. Boss Life Slim. Boss Life Slim. I need 10,000 followers, like, today. That's what I want for my birthday. Everybody in the cult. This is 327 people, 335 people right now. I need everybody in the cult right now to follow me on YouTube, Slim Thug. Check out my new video, know what I'm talking about. And I need you to follow me on TikTok, Boss Life Slim. Yeah, that's what we need, because we all trying to make progress and reach the world. We trying to make the cult expand. That way we have more people moving around with common sense. We get the messages out. They gonna move around with common sense, and then the world will be more peaceful. Instead of motherfuckers always doing dumb shit, they gonna start saying, oh, no, you go. You got it. You go ahead, man. No problem, man. Go ahead. everybody gonna move around with respect, love, and peace. It's important you spread the message. There's a lot of shoot 'em up, bang, bang shit out here. And we need to balance this shit out a little bit, you know what I'm saying, with some positive energy. And I'm here to deliver it, you know what I'm saying? So, and I shot another video that's hard as fuck at the brunch, man. Real boss shit. I love it, man. I'm having a great time. Appreciate you, Namaste. Follow me on TikTok. Appreciate that. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all support. You know, I'm independent. So, you know, anything helps. Anything helps. We're going to show them that you can do shit the boss way. We're going to teach people to believe in their ideas and not sell themselves. Ownership. We're going to show the kids that you can do it without selling yourself to other motherfuckers who ain't even in the culture. Just looking at you like a fucking stock, a piece of money, you know what I'm saying? Like, wearing your clothes, making fun of you. Look, they don't even wear that shit. They don't even let their kids listen to that shit. But they getting money and millions and billions off of the shit. That don't add up. Why the fuck is you making billions off of shit you don't even let your kids listen to? You don't let your kids dress like us, but you want to make billions off of us? Fuck you. No. We keep our own money. The shit we create, we eat off of forever. That's how shit's supposed to be. 50-15 tomorrow. 50-15 tomorrow night. Matter of fact, I got so much shit going on. What the fuck am I talking about all this shit for? Tonight I got a premiere at City Center. It's probably sold out already. It probably got some like front row seats, but that's pretty much sold out. My first movie, man. Me chasing it. Here we go again. Taking a chance on the idea. I haven't even seen the movie yet, y'all. That's how crazy I am, right? I'm so crazy and not scared to take a L that I haven't even seen the movie, but we finna watch it tonight at the premiere in front of everybody together. And we gonna see what we came up with, and they can say, man, this shit is trash, or they can say, man, this shit was live. But at the end of the day, I'm so self-confident and trustworthy in my ideas, I'm ready to take that chance and see what the fuck a motherfucker got to say. I want to hear what happened. I want to hear what people think. Because you know what? I'm going to be able to grow from whatever they say. If they say, man, this motherfucker bad, you did a great job, I'm going to be able to say, okay, man, I did a good job then. My idea was good. I should trust more of my ideas, even on the movie side. It ain't just rap. I can do movies too. Damn, I did that. Or I can say, damn, they can say, man, shit, it was weak, bro. But, you know, you could have, what you ain't like about it, kid? Oh, this wasn't, you know, but, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, okay, all right. Next movie, we know what to do. It was a seed. Figure out how to make that shit grow into a tree. It's Tea.V. It's Tea.V. You know what? We set out for Tea.V quality. I will keep it real with y'all. I did not spend $1 million on this motherfucker. We set up for Tea.V quality. We had a Tea.V budget. But I believe we had made it look more than Tea.V. I believe we made the movie look better than Tea.V quality. I believe in the idea. I believe in what my partners brought to the table on the script. I believe in what Shannon shot, you know what I'm saying, as a director. So we gonna make it happen, kid. Let's see. Yeah, we don't try to, I'm not gonna go spend $1 million on a motherfucking movie. I ain't never did a movie before. We gonna start at Tea.V level. We do good. We make money off the movie. We ain't taking the money. I ain't waiting to just like, oh man, I can't wait to get this money from this movie and pay my bills. No, I want to create a new source of income. So the money that is made off of this movie will be able to fund other movie opportunities in the future that I might want to do. You know what I'm saying? And that's how you create a new job for yourself. Don't be like, I'm going to sell it, I'm going to cash out. No, it's a new source of income. We're going to have this over here. We're going to have the rap shit. We already got that going. That figured it out. We good. We got the rap shit rolling. But everybody know you can't just depend on one thing, right? So we need more different streams of income. How can we create different streams of income? We can do stocks. That's one way of creating a stream of income. We can do real estate, owning your own house, you know what I'm saying, or doing, rentals or whatever. That's another way to create an income. We can do whatever you good at. I'm a rapper. That's what I do. You might build houses. You might work at a job. No telling. That's another way to create an income. So now I'm just trying to, okay, let me step into the movie shit. See if that's another stream of income for me. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. But you gotta be diverse. Show money, another stream of income. Promotion on Instagram, another stream of income. You know what I'm saying? You gotta figure it out, kid. You gotta multiply the streams of income. YouTube, videos and shit. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. The chocolate needed for that prayer. Appreciate you, boo. Yeah, but yeah, that's what we are, man. Tonight we got the movie premiere, Double Cup. Tried to capture Houston culture. Did it with my brothers, Propane, Don Kiki, Kayla G, Adriana. Everybody did an amazing job, I might say. Everybody did an amazing job. So I think we did something good. We got Jeff Shelley in there. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of motherfuckers in there. We're gonna surprise y'all tonight. You know what I'm saying? I'll try to do a beard product. I'm waiting on the lady to let me. Supposed to be putting it together. She ain't came back yet. You know what I'm saying? The Don did an amazing job as the opposite. My boy Al D. Kiki the OG, Killer Callejon, Boston George, Ellie Dollar. Yeah. Album out, video out, we working, and we shot another video, man. Like what? But look at Houston though. This means summer is over. Is summer officially over, y'all? The movie ain't gonna be out for everybody yet. We gonna check it out, see what we gotta change. Then we'll put it out like November. We got the soundtrack coming. A lot of H-Town music jamming like a motherfucker. We got Boys in Blue coming. Me, Killer, and Les. We working, man. We working. R.I.P. Big Pope. Man, it's raining like a motherfucker. Man, this is the best day to just smoke and relax at the resort. What the fuck?